Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are in high spirit and enjoying your online classes. Today, I am going to start the chapter Control Panel. So, students, Control Panel is the part of the Windows operating system which provide us the ability to view and change system settings. The control panel has many small applications called applets. They are used for performing specific simple functions. These applets allows us to edit the settings of different software and hardware attached to your computer. Click on Start button. Click on the control panel on the right pane. The control panel will appear on the screen. It contains many applets which help you to control the settings of your computers. These applets are System and Security, Network and Internet, Hardware and Sound, Programs, User Accounts and Family Safety, Appearance and Personalization, Clock, Language and Region, Ease of Access. Control panel can be viewed in three different views. When you click on the view by drop down arrow, you can see large icon view which shows you all the icons in a larger manner. The small icon view which show you all the icons in the small view. And lastly, the category view which is the default view which shows all the applets in an organized manner in proper categories. System and security. This category allows us to view and manage system and security status. It contains many applets such as power option, which helps in battery settings and managing power buttons of the computer. Second, backup and restore. This category helps in backup and restoring files from the backup facility. Third, administrative tools. This category helps to free up disk space and make partitions drives on your computer. System. This helps to view all the details of your computer like RAM, processor, speed, storage, etc. There are many other applets in this category like Action Center, Windows Firewall, Windows Update and Windows Anytime Upgrade. They allows us to enhance the safety and security of the computer. Network and Internet. This category you all are very much aware of, which helps you to view and connect all the network and internet connections available on the computer. In addition, you have Internet Applet category through which you can change browser settings and delete internet history also. Programs. Programs and features. This is the most important applet of this category. These applets let you see the different programs installed on the computer. Along with it, you can also uninstall any program with this applet. User account category contains user account applet which helps in managing user account and Windows password. Hardware and sound categories allows you to manage devices on your computer like you can add printer, change settings of keyboard mouse. You will also find display applet that helps in adjusting screen resolution, change the size of the text and display, etc. Then comes the sound applet that let us adjust and manage the volume of the system audio devices. Clock, language and region. This category helps you to change or manage the date and time of your computer. Here you will find the date and time applet which sets the date and time of the computer, and the other applet is the region and language which allows you to change your location, the date and time format, and also change input methods accordingly. Ease of access. This category has many tools that make your computer easier to use. Like you can enhance the visual display, change the way the keyboard and mouse operate. There is also speech recognition feature which helps in unlocking the windows. Appearance and personalization. This applet is all about making the interface more attractive and understandable. It changes the appearance of the desktop theme, apply a theme or screensaver, or helps in customizing the taskbar. Here we look at some of the applet in this category like font. This applet changes the style and visibility of the fonts, folder option which helps you to manage your folders, taskbar and start menu which customize the start menu and taskbar. Personalization. These applets give ways to change the theme of the Windows display, desktop background, screensaver, and Windows glass covers. To uninstall a program, first go to Control Panel. Under the Program category, click on Uninstall a program. From the list of installed programs, click on the program that you wish to install. Click on the Uninstall or Change option above the list. The selected program will uninstall from the computer along with its components. Themes. A theme consists of a combination of desktop background color, sounds, and screensaver. To change the theme, we will follow this procedure. Below the personalization applet, a heading Change the theme is given. Click on it. You will see many different themes options. Select the desired theme by clicking on it. The theme will be applied and click on the OK button. You can also apply theme by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting the last option Personalize from the context menu. Screensaver is an animation or image that appears when the computer is not in use. Under the Personalization applet, click on the Change the Theme options. The personalization windows will appear on the screen. Click on Change Screensaver link. The Screensaver settings dialog box will appear on the screen. Under the screensaver title, find the drop down arrow, click on it. Select the theme that you like from the list. Click on the drop down arrow of the wait time box and select the number of minutes of inactivity after which the screensaver should appear on screen. Click on preview to see how it would look on the screen. So here is an end of the chapter. Now you will be able to do the settings of the computer, read the chapter thoroughly, complete the exercises. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.